Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a compound path. Compound path lets you cut out through the overlapping objects. Now I will make a compound path with a reference file. After selecting all the objects on the left, select the Object, Compound Path, Make menu, or press the shortcut key Ctrl-A. All overlapping areas of the objects with the compound path applied are empty, and the color of the bottommost object is applied to the rest of the objects. Press down Alt and click Direct Selection tool to select Group Selection tool. You can use the Group Selection tool to select, move, or delete objects that have compound paths applied to them. Press V to select Selection tool. Select the two pink circles together on the right and press the shortcut key Ctrl-A. You will notice the empty circle created by the compound path. In the Layers panel, click the eye icon for the text layer. As you see now, compound path is very effective when creating a round logo. If we want to release the compound path, select the object with compound path applied and select the Object, Compound Path, Release menu, or press the shortcut key Alt-Shift-Ctrl-A. The compound path objects are back to the normal object state, but the original color for each object is not restored. I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand the compound path. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.